We are Team ESTEEM, over 120 students from Heriot-Watt University taking part in the Solo Decathlon Middle East competition. Our goal is to build a home of the future, solar-powered, sustainable, and equipped with innovative technologies to meet the demands of its inhabitants and the challenging climate of the Middle East. We don't have time to talk in depth for this video, but we will have members of the team, Jessica, Sonia and Ellie, explain what we've been up to for the past few months, and also highlight some of the standout features of our design.
At Team ESTEEM, we're using an adaptable and dismountable solution to building with timber and CLT. This is primarily due to the fixings that we're using from Rotherglass, which allow the system to be bolted and taken apart together again many times. Since the end of July, we have started working on our construction here in Edinburgh. This is mainly to assemble the prototype, which is what you see behind me. This prototype mainly focused on looking at the construction and making sure that we are successful and smooth during the competition in Dubai.
Now we are in the process of finalizing our design for all the surfaces, making the space habitable. So we have MVHR unit for the ventilation, we have radiant cooling system. However, there's more to make a house a home. And we want to make this house feel like home not only for people in Scotland, in the UK or in Europe, but we want to adjust it to all the people living in Dubai so they can feel like at home in here. When we consider exterior design, we thought about all the features that will make it aesthetically pleasing as well as functional in such a harsh climate as Dubai, which is why we have a concrete 3D printed wind tower that will cool the courtyard as well as louvers, providing shading from the other sides of the house.
We have also tried to use as much of our wastage as possible. For example, we originally were using foundation pedestals, and when we realised the loads on the floor, we actually found that it was easier and more practical to use our CLT waste to make pad foundations above ground, and means that we do have less of that material that is now going to waste.
We have an MVHR unit which can recover thermal energy from the air as it's being extracted. Excess humidity is condensed and sent to the hydroloop, which puts it through a complex filtering system in order to reuse that water for anything but consumption. We also have a radiant cooling system, which acts as a semi-passive way of smoothly keeping the house cool. When warm water is needed, the Solaris kit can use just the energy from the sun to do so. We're also the first to use CLT that has been grown and manufactured in Scotland by us with the help of CSIC. Not to mention, we're using high-efficiency solar panels. We're using the principles of Passive House. We're including a modular battery, and we're collecting water and energy usage stats. With all these and more, we believe that we are well on our way to creating the home of the future.